Hello everyone, we're back with another video in our How to Use Widgets series. Today we'll quickly learn about the properties and styling of the text widget. You can also access the link to the documentation for this widget in the description below. Let's begin with dropping the text from the widget's inventory. Now let's quickly dive into its properties. Click to inspect the widget to access the following options. Text. You can enter a string value in this field. Let's change it to Hello World. You can also add HTML tags to modify your text type. Let's make it bold and italic. We'll be adding opening and closing B and I tags. Loading state. You can toggle on to conditionally set the value for loading state. It accepts values as true or false. You can also programmatically set the value by clicking on the FX button. Tooltip. Under the general accordion you can set the value of a tooltip. Let's try it out. I'm entering the value you've hovered on the text. Now when we hover on the text we find the tooltip with the assigned value. Layout. Toggle on or off to control the widget's visibility on desktop and mobile. You can programmatically change its value by clicking on the FX button next to it. It accepts a Boolean value. Now let's explore the styling of the text widget. Click on the Styles tab to access the following options. Text size. You can change the size of the text. I'm entering 20. We can also programmatically change its value by clicking on the FX button next to it. Text color. We can change the color of the text. I'm providing a random value to it. We can also programmatically set its value. Align text. We can change the alignment of the text using the following options, which are left by default to center, right and justified. Likewise, I'm updating it to the center. Visibility. Toggle on or off to control the visibility of the widget. You can programmatically change its value by clicking on the FX button next to it. Disable. Toggle on to lock the widget. You can programmatically assign values in Boolean form. Our final text widget looks like this. I hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates.